So today we're going to add spinach to our garden. Everybody knows about spinach, nothing new there. They know how to either prepare it or put it in salads, and it's chocked full of lots of different vitamins that are really good for you. Spinach is great. So back to how we plant it here at Whirlwind Family Farm is we always have, if you can see behind me, this is a 50-foot length of bed. It's 30 inches wide. And then we come in and plant our spinach, just like in our previous video we did with our Swiss chard, and it's about the same distance apart. So let's take a quick look at how we got a bed started. You can see this is a row of 3. They're about 6 inches apart. We're going in, actually planting in our seed trays. I always like to use the wind strip trays. And the beauty of the wind strip trays, again, is that you can go in from the bottom, push that ceiling out as you see right there, which is so simple to do. And then we come in and just plant in these rows, go all the way down. Now the thing about spinach to remember, it is more of a cool weather, cool season, spring or fall, because as we have found, and you will find, when you start to get the heat of the summer, it bolts. And if you're not familiar with that term, it's basically going to seed. It just loses its taste. It doesn't taste the same, and you definitely do not want to harvest off of spinach that bolts. Unlike Swiss chard, which we tend to be able to harvest on deeper into summer, it's kind of amazing. But spinach, you do have to watch for that moment when it starts to bolt. So that's it. Spinach is simple. We grow it in our seed trays. You can plant it direct into the soil if you prefer. We just like seed trays because we get a better start with those seedlings, and we can space them perfectly, where sometimes a seeder can be a little bit more sporadic unless you just do it with your finger. In a backyard garden, remember, that's the easiest way to do it. You don't have to buy an expensive seeder. Just go out. The seed packet will tell you how deep to plant. Take your finger, make your rows, or use a stick, drop those seeds in at this distance. I always like to say multi-sow. Put in a couple extra seeds in case one does not germinate. That's something that we always recommend. So blessings over you, your family, your backyard garden. Remember that spinach this time of year. It's something that we start now, and it's going to be good till we get to about that first part of June, latter part of May, before we'll be done with our spinach. But that's it. Fairly simple, easy to plant. We know you're going to enjoy it. Again, blessings. Talk to you soon. And remember, we always have a couple of good videos. Check those out. They will take you further along in that gardening experience. Talk to you soon.